It's our set.
Oh, another group one. So right now it is around 7 a.m. and I'm at the beach because I am filming another video. Oh, this side I can't see well.
Is it because it's contrast?
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess I'll keep it.
It will look like sunset basically, kind of. But I guess we can still take some if you like. Oh, it's moving away. It's leaving.
Is it still really yellow?
Yeah. There's like a moon on your forehead because of the reflection. A moon-shaped orange light. Kind of look a little creepy. Kind of reminded me of Spirited Away. Okay. Oh, your face is shadowed by half. There's like a line straight down the middle.
I basically just finished doing that video, so before we leave the beach, we're gonna let Barley play and experience the beach for the first time. Barley! Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's go. Oy, 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 oy.
Oh, he looks so happy.
Try not to stand too close to him because I don't think I can
Yeah.
control him when he puts his paws on your clothes.
Yeah, no.
Okay, go down.
Barley!
Barley,
Yay.
sit. Sit.
Barley! Barley!
Going. We have to go to the next spot. Now we're at a second location for my filming and we have to walk out to get to the location I want to get to, and we're walking Barley again. He seems really happy. So yeah, we're gonna walk out and continue filming. Arrived at the second location. Woo! We're using this structure. Hopefully it works out as I imagined. So I finally finished filming and we took some pictures with Barley in this location. And he finally calmed down a little bit. He's going crazy. I think we're gonna go now, and he's licking my skirt. Okay. Oi! Up! Up! Barley, up! Yeah! Okay, I need to go down first before I'm gonna die. I'm gonna slip. So yeah, we're gonna head home. Yay! Okay, so we're bringing Barley out to the dog park today, and here he is. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna bring him to the dog park today, take him on a nice walk, because it's a nice sunny day. But before we, oh my god, he's making a mess. Before we head out to the dog park, we're gonna go to Metro because I have to meet up with someone to get my album. I did this group album ordering thing for Ace's album, so I'm gonna go pick it up finally. And then after that, we'll head to the park. Yo, wait. Good boy. Let's go. Oh, lock the door. Oh, that's true. Oh my god, Barley, calm down. Hey. Oh, he's so happy he's going outside. Do you see it? Do you see this? Oh my god.
Out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows,
At the meeting spot.
out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down.
The poster.
You want to grab it.
Make sure it doesn't come.
Yes, wait.
It looks so good.
You've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been
Okay, I'll show you guys the cards that I got. So from the album itself, I got the young one. I got a wow, as well as a group and Donghoon. Let's see the extra one. There. Ooh, another group one. Okay. And then I got oh, I love this photo shoot they did. Like with the pastel top. Yeah. And then Shani again. Okay. Let me just go say thank you to the person. Now we're heading towards the dog park because I finally got my album. And this is our first time going to this one, so we might get lost, but hopefully with Google Maps, we're gonna be good. This guy is really hyper today. Careful with the wetness. Go, go, go. Turn this way, yeah. Hopefully we get there. It takes like 30 to 40 minutes to walk there. So it's gonna be a while, but yeah, let's go.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere.
Look what we came across. I think they're filming over there, but I don't really want to film it, but yeah. Oh. Be gentle, Barley. No! Okay, let's go, Barley. Let's go. Let's go. We're here, Barley.
You want to go say hi? Finally, calm down.
Let's say hi to the humans more than the
I
dogs.
think it's a male maturity. Oh, she's jealous.
Aww.
Oh.
Barley. Gentle.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
Be gentle. Okay, go. Go play.
Barley, where are you going?
No, not the people. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, fighting time.
See, Barley's getting overpowered. Then they're turning older than him.
Yeah. He keeps falling. Oh, he's making some friends. Stay here for another like 5-ish or 10 minutes for him to just like get his energy. Oh my god, he's jumping on people now. But yeah, we're just gonna let him play for a little longer and then we're gonna head back because it's a long walk back home. So chasing this dog, and there's 2 huskies fighting, and Barley's watching the show.
Barley's confused.
So confused. Look at this little guy. Okay, we're finally heading home now. Barley, come. It takes 50 minutes to walk home, but it's okay. It's my nice Sunday exercise. So yeah. This guy is super tired and super dirty. We're gonna give him a nice bath when we get home. And I think on the way home, I'm also gonna stop by like Tim's to get some food because I didn't eat lunch yet. And it's like 4 already. So yeah.
Eyes,
Hi, can I just get a regular chili for takeout?
Yes.
Thank you.
Living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you'll come with me and we be out of sight,